I'm going to give you a quick meditation that you can do anywhere. You can go into the bathroom for 5 minutes and literally do it. So no excuses. Get yourself into a comfortable, quiet location. If you're in a home, remember, if you can't be in a location with other people are around, you may need to seclude yourself in the bathroom for 5 minutes. It's okay. Take a deep breath in, release out your mouth. Again, deep breath in through the nostrils, release out the mouth. Letting yourself settle into your space. Visualize light coming from the top of your head. Visualizing white, golden light flowing down from the heavens in through the top of the head into your crown chakra. And you feel this light flowing through the entire head, through the brain, through your skull, into the eyes, to your ears, into the nostrils, your cheeks, your face, your chin, your mouth, your tongue, your throat, down into the neck, down into the chest, the shoulders, the arms, the hands, down the front and back of the torso, down into the abdomen, down into the buttocks, your legs, down to the knees, the bottom of the leg, to the feet. Feeling particular energy strong in the palms of the hands and the bottom of the feet. Feeling your chakras getting filled with the light, and particularly the heart chakra, the third eye chakra, the crown chakra. Feel the light flowing through the body, energizing the cells, flowing through the body, energizing the cells. Every cell is being filled with this white, brilliant light. It's cleansing negativity, it's cleansing disease, it's cleansing negative emotions, concern, and fears, filling you with the white, brilliant light of the divine, with God, of who you are, your own divine being, is being activated and pulled forth through the cleansing aspect of the white light. Now we'll chant. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. Feel the light flowing down the top of the head through the body. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. It continues to flow down. You're feeling it fill every cell in the body. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee is activating the chakras, the heart, the navel, the third eye. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. Feel the light and love of the Shreem Brzee goddess activating every cell in the body, instilling herself into your body, mind, and spirit with abundance, with joy, with beauty, with purity. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. She's moving through you in every cell, the light particles activating, cleansing, purifying the body, in the blood, in the bones, the organs. Every cell of the body is being filled with the Shreem Brzee light. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. The goddess is enlivening you. She's protecting you. She's guiding you. She's speaking to you. She's speaking through you. She becomes part of your body, part of your soul. Feel her and vibrate now with the sounds of Shreem Brzee at a subtler level. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. Feel the sound penetrating deeply into the cells. It's getting subtler and subtler. And now you chant under your breath only. And now you are completely quiet and allowing the Shreem Brzee mantra to be playing continuously in the body, in the mind, and in the spirit. The mantra is on auto repeat in your mind, body, and spirit. The mantra is on auto repeat in the mind, body, and spirit. And now you can begin to put some gentle movement back into the body. Allowing yourself to come back into the body, continuing to allow Shreem Brzee to be auto on repeat. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes.